Driving for me means freedom. As a driver, you can go anywhere you want to go, as long as you have fuel. I remember one day my husband said, I regret teaching you how to drive. Since I have this car, I can manage my finance. I'm the main provider for my daughter and my grandchildren. I was without a job after the passing of my husband. It was hard. It is harder for women. There are some ladies who don't even have a bank account. When I was looking for a car, I went to different institutions, but it needs a deposit. I didn't have. My credit score was very low. Even if I have an account, I couldn't even qualify. It was frustrating. When the opportunity of Moove came, it was a good one. Something that I worked hard to get. A car that will finally be mine. Will I manage as a woman there? What will your people say? But I thought like, nah, I have to do it. When I met the lady there, actually I was so relieved because there were so many guys. I was so relieved.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm good, thank you.
And we talked about it.
Looking forward to working with you. You don't have to be nervous. You don't have to.
Firstly, the lady checked my app. She checked the trips that I have, cancellation rate that I have, my ratings. When she see my app, she was like, oh, you are the one we are looking for. I felt very proud. I was like, okay, so what's the way forward now?
Right? And then also, any time of the day, there's always someone on shift that is available to assist you. And then thirdly,
the Moove training, it was a guideline of what they expect from you and what you will benefit out of that. The camera security, it just gives you a peace of mind. It's not me only, it's them, because there are many things that are happening between the driver and a rider. The benefits that I get from Moove, the first thing is the maintenance of the car. We have an insurance that covers the driver. Actually, since I have this car, I have a lot of confidence. I feel like I can do a lot. I can work harder than even before.
Hey Maureen, how are you today?
I'm good, and you?
Every day I meet different people. When they see that it's a lady, they get excited. And how are you, Madonna?
Oh, that's amazing.
So it's changing the mentality of driving is for men.
Thank you.
It's just confirming your location. You're going to. Hopefully one day I'll pick you up again.
Absolutely. No, I'm going to request. Absolutely. Thank you.
Hopefully meet again.
until we meet again.
Thank you. Bye. I think in South Africa there are a lot of ladies who drive. The only challenge is to get the car. I don't think there is competition.
Exactly.
No.
Yeah.
When I need them or I need help, I can call them.
Then this is, like if you don't have that, there's nothing that's actually going to push you to...
You don't have a target. So
Exactly.
But when we meet again, it's like,
how are you doing?
oh, lady, you again. You know, it's interesting to see them.
But
You work for yourself, you work on your own time. It is empowering. As an entrepreneur, I see a brighter future. My dream future is to have more fleet. That's how I'm gonna grow my independence. Ladies out there, Your situation mustn't define you. Don't just sit down and cry and like, I don't know what to do. So you must just start somewhere. Don't be afraid, just go for it.